Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I solved the question number 3. Prove that x cube plus y cube is equal to x in bracket x plus y in bracket x plus omega y, and here x plus omega square y. Now we solve this sides, and this side will be equal to this. This is our left hand side, this is equal to right hand side. We write this x cube plus y cube is equal to, we multiply this by this. We write here x plus y. First we multiply this into x multiply x, we write here x square. X multiply with this, we write here plus xy omega square. Now this comma omega y multiply by x, we write here plus xy omega. Now this multiply with this plus omega cube, this omega multiply omega square and y square. Now this, right. Here also x 3 plus y 3 is equal to x plus y, and we write this x square, and this we take xy common from this, xy common from this, and we write here when this xy come out, this x come out, we write inside of bracket omega square plus omega. Now plus this omega cube is equal to 1 multiplied by omega y square. Now we write this and we write this. Now we write this x3 and plus y3 is equal to again x plus y, and we write the x square plus xy, and we know that omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. We write here minus 1, and also plus y cube, y square, 1 multiplied by y square is equal to x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, and we write the x square, and this minus this plus minus xy and plus y square. Now this is our formula. We write the formula a3 plus b3, a plus b into a square minus ab and plus b square. We write this whole equal to s cube plus y cube is equal to, also write this s cube plus y cube. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is our proof. Now question number 4. The question number 4 is this: x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy, and on the right side x plus y plus z x w omega y plus omega square z in bracket x plus omega square y plus omega z. So now by taking right hand side we get is equal to, now write again x plus y plus z into, right here x plus omega y and plus omega square z, and write this and x plus omega square y and plus omega z. Now first off we multiply this is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to, here x multiplied by x square, this x multiplied by this plus xy omega square. Now this multiplied by this plus xz into omega. Now this term plus omega y in multiply x, we write here x y omega. Now this multiply with this omega cube omega cube y square. Now this, and here multiply this, multiply, and plus this and this, omega square and yz. Now turn on this, and this multiply this plus omega square xz omega square. Now this multiply this omega 4 and this omega 2 and omega 2 4 and yz this, and this multiply this plus omega cube and omega cube and z square this. Now we write this here x plus y plus z is equal to, now there x square. Now this we write xy and we write the xy this. We combine this result from this. Here this we write this come square brackets xy w plus xy omega and omega square plus this term and this term plus xy omega. Now we have to learn, write this. Now again, now xz plus xz omega and this we write is, and xz this xz and plus xz omega square. Now we write this again. This we take this term and we write here omega cube is equal to 1 multiply y square. Okay, this, and we write again here plus omega square yz and omega square. Now yz this yz plus omega cube omega 4 and yz this and z square plus omega cube is equal to 1. We write 1 multiply z square. Now this we write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now next is equal to x plus y plus z. Now here we write x square and we write this here y square, this is y square plus y square plus z square. Now this right here z square. Now we write this in this form. Now we write this x y plus we write omega xy taken from this xy. We write xy in bracket omega square plus omega. Now this, in this we write, we take xz common from this and write inside omega plus omega square. Now write this. Come here, this we have written, and this omega we take yz common from this and we write this omega and we write this omega xy omega square and plus omega 4. Now this we write this again x plus y plus z here in bracket this x square plus y square plus z square, and we write this omega plus omega square is equal to -1. We write -1 here also plus xz and omega plus omega square -1 is equal to -1. Now plus we write here x yz in brackets omega square and we write this plus omega 3, omega 4, we write this omega 3 and omega. Now we write again is equal to x plus y plus z in bracket x square plus y square plus z square, not minus, here plus 1, this z square plus 1, this z square plus 1. Now z square, and we write this minus this xz or minus xz. Now no, not right here, xy, this is xy. Now we write this wrongly, I attempt this again. We write this x plus y plus z is equal to, we write the again x square plus y square plus z square, and here minus 1. We write here plus xy minus 1, again xz here minus 1. Now they take this plus yz, and we write here in brackets omega square and plus omega cube and only omega. We write this. Now on next page we write this is equal to, here is equal to x plus y plus z in bracket, we write here x square plus y square plus z square minus xy and minus xz minus xz and plus yz, and we write is this omega square plus omega and omega cube, right here 1 is equal to x plus y plus z, and here x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus xz, and we also this yz, and here this omega square and plus omega. In the next step we write this x plus y and plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus xz and minus this yz, we write here minus 1 because term omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. We write again is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus y xz and minus yz. Now this is equal to this, if we multiply this with this, we get x3 plus y3 and plus z3 plus 3xyz, 3 minus 3 minus 3xyz minus 3xy minus 3xyz. Okay. Now this is, if we multiply this by this, we get x3 plus y3 plus z3 minus 3xy. Now this is the left and right hand side, and left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we solve the question number 5, and question number 5 is prove that 1 plus omega into in brackets 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega 4 in brackets, and 1 plus omega 8 in brackets goes to 2 and factor is equal to 1. Now we have to prove this. Now we take left hand side by taking by taking LHS. We write this. It means is equal to 1 plus omega and 1 plus omega square and 1 plus omega 4 and 1 plus omega 8 and 2n factors. 2n factors. Write this. Now I write here result 4 result of this. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Now we write here 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. Now we write 1 plus omega square is equal to, from this, minus omega. Again, if omega cube is equal to 1. Now we have written this and we solve this. Is equal to, this is equal to omega square. This omega square. We write here minus omega square. This. And we write here only minus omega. We write this. And into 1 plus omega and omega 3. We write omega 4 like this. Omega into omega 3. And also 1 plus omega 6 and omega square. And write 2n factors of this goes on. Here this minus this multiply plus and omega square and omega, write here omega cube into this and into 1 plus omega and omega cube is equal to 1, multiply 1. Again 1 plus, we write this omega cube and square and omega square. Now write this is equal to 2n factors is equal to omega cube is equal to 1 and we write this 1 plus omega and also 1 plus 1 ka whole square into omega square into 2n factors. This multiply this 1 plus omega and here also 1 plus omega square. When I write this is equal to minus omega square and multiply this, it means minus omega and 2n factors and also 2n factors. Now multiply this, multiply and omega cube and is equal to also 1. Omega cube is equal to and 2n factors. Now it is, this is equal to 1. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side.